Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect ConvertKit to Squarespace. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is just open up ConvertKit, and here in the dashboard, come to the top and click on Grow, then click on Landing Pages and Forms. In this example, I will go ahead and connect a form. Now just go ahead and scroll down until you find the form that you want, and then just click here on the three dots, and then click on Edit, or you can create your own new form or landing page by clicking on this plus icon. I'll just go ahead and edit one of these. So I'll edit this one. Okay, click on Edit. Now what I want you to do here on ConvertKit is just click here on Embed. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then you can choose HTML and then copy this, right? So we have copied this code, and we'll come back to Squarespace and then just click on Edit. So we're going to be editing our website, and we just need to bring in a block. Okay, so click here on Add Block, and in this case, I just want you to choose Code, right? And then click here on the code. You can easily go ahead and resize these as well. Just click here on the edit icon, by the way. So if you want to resize this, you can click on it and then resize it. And let's go ahead and paste in the code right here. So leave the P and /P in the brackets. We'll just add the HTML code. And by the way, adding this is a premium feature, but we can go ahead and preview this in safe mode. Okay, I have just resized this a little bit. Now let's preview this in safe mode. And that is what it would look like. So that is how you can go ahead and connect ConvertKit to Squarespace. Just make sure you save this and you're done.